Asnora are so aggrieved that they have come onto the roads today. This was a peaceful, a happy, a calm, a quiet village, and today we have come down to this because we are so aggrieved by so many people who have failed us, but most importantly it is the government that has failed us. When RG came to Asnora and tried to bring up the topic of road widening, tried to bring up the grievances of the people, then suddenly all the other parties have woken up. They are trying to have meetings. Where were all these people when we were crying, when we were going to the Gram Sabha time and again, when we were asking them, do something, help us, praying for some relief? Nothing. The panchayat has not helped. The panchayat has not even batted an eye when people have gone crying towards them. Instead, they have gone overnight and pasted notices on everyone's shops. This government, this MLA has come to Asnora only once that I remember, when he wanted our votes. After that, he has not come to ask us how we are. He has not come to see what has happened in Asnora, whether his voters are there, alive, dead, nothing. This village was God-forsaken. It is just left to the dogs. And this is what is happening to Asnora today. And that's why people like us have to come to the streets today to ask for this. This government has not cared for the old people, the ancestral houses that are going. They have not cared for the youngsters. The people, the youngsters, the youth of Asnora are unemployed today. They are not even caring about the young children whose school building is in danger right now. Over 100, 200 students will not have classrooms to sit in if they widen that road. So our only protest, our only prayer getting on the streets is do something. Do something, help us. You are there in power to help us. We brought you in power. We are your voters. We are the ones who gave you that power, and you're not using even this much to help us out. Then it's shame on that power, shame on that government, and shame on that pride with which you all sit in this panchayat, in your government offices, and in those in those big parliaments that you all are sitting in the legislative assemblies you all are sitting in. Shame if you all are not helping your people.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.